Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change passcode in your Near wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Near wallet, and once you open it, you will end up in a page where you need to type in your PIN code number to get access to your account. Once you type in PIN code, you will get logged into your account. Now simply tap on the settings option, and from there choose the security settings option. So once you tap on security settings, tap on change passcode and then simply type in your current passcode, then type in the new passcode, and once you have done this, repeat the new passcode again. So this will allow you to update your passcode easily in your Near wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.